Hi. In this episode, let us take a closer look at the yearly pivots. As you may recall from the previous chapters that mostly investors pay attention to yearly pivots. If you are a long-term investor, this will be that one video you shouldn't miss. How to add yearly pivot. To add yearly pivots, change next CPR resolution to 12 months and click on Show Next CPR and Show Next Support and Resistance. Make sure you select yearly data from settings as shown in the video. 2020 was a year that saw a major collapse in the financial markets due to COVID-19 pandemic. However, despite the chaotic nature of the market during this time, the pivots show that the Nifty actually traded in a much more orderly manner than most people realize, as price played off these levels quite nicely. Even in a year that saw financial ruin, the pivots were one of the few tools that demonstrated a high level of accuracy. Let's check how stocks reacted to yearly pivots. Take a look at the yearly pivot of Bank Nifty. After falling to support 4 level in April 2020, Bank Nifty started to rally in a systematic manner. You can notice that Bank Nifty faced resistance at pivot level in August and fallen back to support 1 level. You can notice that Bank Nifty rally continued to resistance 1 level. What lies ahead in Bank Nifty as per CPR yearly time frame? All 3 CPR levels are a good support to Bank Nifty, especially the central pivot line. It will be a good entry level. Resistance 1 is the target. Stop loss should be just below CPR level. Let's check one more example. Recently, Adani Enterprises share prices fell sharply, whatever may be the reason. But check how the stock bounced after touching the CPR level. Will yearly time frame work on penny stocks? You can notice even penny stocks dance to CPR levels, but personally, I do not recommend investing in penny stocks. Task for the week. Select few stocks from Nifty 50 and find out good buying levels using yearly pivots. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.